Priya is sitting at the airport waiting for her flight. She writes in her diary while she's at the gate. Dear Diary, I'm sitting alone at the departure gate, and for the first time today, it's quiet enough to hear my own heartbeat. Everything feels unreal. Just this morning, I was eating idli in my mother's kitchen, listening to Amma fuss about sweaters and cold weather. Now I'm holding a boarding pass to a place I've only seen in photos. A place with snow, French signs, and people who don't know my name. I keep touching the little ganache Amma slipped into my pocket. I think she needed it more than I do. My father hugged me tighter than usual. My grandmother blessed me with turmeric and rice. Everyone tried to be strong, but I could see worry in their eyes. I felt it too. I'm scared. I'm excited. I'm sad. I'm proud of myself. I'm all of these things at once. And I don't know which one to hold. But I do know this. I'm going. I'm doing it. I'm stepping into the life I've dreamed about since I was a girl sitting on the balcony, imagining snow. If I close my eyes, I can almost see Montreal. Cold air, bright lights, possibility. Okay, they're calling my zone. Here I go. Priya.